Don't litter, use trash cans. Don't litter, use trash cans. Help pick up litter you see. Help pick up litter you see. Put on your pajamas before bed. Put on your pajamas before bed. Pay attention during lessons. Pay attention during lessons. Don't touch things that aren't yours. Don't touch things that aren't yours. Close the door behind you. Close the door behind you. Wear sunscreen when it's sunny. Wear sunscreen when it's sunny. Don't pick flowers from the garden. Don't pick flowers from the garden. Don't climb on the wall. Don't climb on the wall. Keep your bike on the path. Keep your bike on the path. Use a napkin while eating. Use a napkin while eating. Wash your hands after using the restroom. Wash your hands after using the restroom. Be respectful to nature. Be respectful to nature. Don't forget to feed the pets. Don't forget to feed the pets. Help with the dishes. Help with the dishes. Wash your face every morning. Wash your face every morning. Clean up your spills. Clean up your spills. Wait your turn patiently. Wait your turn patiently. Don't forget your lunch box. Don't forget your lunch box. Finish your drink. Finish your drink. Always do your best. Always do your best. Don't forget to use hand sanitizer. Don't forget to use hand sanitizer. Put your books back on the shelf. Put your books back on the shelf. Stay in your seat. Stay in your seat. Don't throw rocks or sticks. Don't throw rocks or sticks. Wear your seatbelt in the car. Wear your seatbelt in the car. Stay on the sidewalk. Stay on the sidewalk. Always throw your trash in the bin. Always throw your trash in the bin. Don't shout in public places. Don't shout in public places. Take off your shoes when coming inside. Take off your shoes when coming inside. Play nicely with other kids. Play nicely with other kids. Watch for bikes when walking. Watch for bikes when walking. Don't play too rough. Don't play too rough. Don't forget to bring your library books back. Don't forget to bring your library books back. Say sorry if you bump into someone. Say sorry if you bump into someone. Don't slam the refrigerator door. Don't slam the refrigerator door. Put your clean clothes in the closet. Put your clean clothes in the closet. Help a classmate if they need it. Help a classmate if they need it. Wait for the green light before crossing. Wait for the green light before crossing. Wear a hat on sunny days. Wear a hat on sunny days. Don't leave food out. Don't leave food out. Help dad or mom with cooking dinner. Help dad or mom with cooking dinner. Always wear a life jacket when near water. Always wear a life jacket when near water. Keep your voice down in public places. Keep your voice down in public places. Help me with the groceries. Help me with the groceries. Be careful when using the stairs. Be careful when using the stairs. Keep your room clean. Keep your room clean. Don't go near unfamiliar animals. Don't go near unfamiliar animals. Bravely explore the world. Bravely explore the world. Help dad or mom with the yard work. Help dad or mom with the yard work.